I think I'm gonna wear this one today. Popping off.
I would like if you would spend some time with me. And I would like for you to chase the sky with me.
Super cute tote bag. You're cute, James. Here we are. Here we are. And it's like so much going on. Oh, here's Love Shack Fancy. Just gonna like walk around.
Bring the bathroom and try it on stuff. So she took
Those are nice. Okay. Yeah, I love building. A lot of showrooms. I was not really expecting this. It's like one of the older ones. I might grab water or like the kind of grab like this, like or maybe even like one of these. I think the raspberry was the one that I was looking at, like prior to, or when I was looking at the workbook. So cute. Love all of these.
Did you get the other pair?
Yes, I found it.
You found it?
Here. And there you go, right?
Awesome. This is what we're
Yeah.
getting.
There you go.
So exciting.
What's that? Is that
Nally and Millie USA. It's a 360. These are like loungewears, or it's
it's called At Leisure.
And on the